Yeah.
Here.
David's not gonna let me stop.
So we'll definitely get photo pass in front of there.
You're gonna wait for animal? Back there by yourself.
Where's Dad? Where's Paul?
Oh, where's Paul? Soarin's a 10-minute wait, so you better be ready.
We want to get to Soarin before there's a 3-hour wait.
No, yeah. Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Is that what you were talking about?
Yeah.
Out here?
Yeah. The park is pretty empty for... The park is really empty. I know it just opened, but I'm surprised at how empty it is.
Yeah, it is.
This part is. That part is. Alright, on our way to Soarin.
This is going to be me when we do the character.
This is our favorite park.
When we do the character meet and greet, I'm going to be a child. You weren't in there when I met Olaf. Ask your mom.
Yeah.
I almost cried. I posted the picture to you and I said, there's still 4 Disney days left, but I don't know if anything will pop. Take a right when you're in here. This is our favorite place at EPCOT. Well, in Future World. Yeah, we'll be able to ride it and ride it again later. They'll just have to wait for us.
She got in front of everybody.
Look, she's in the front now.
She's running.
She got some wind behind her heels. Look, she's right on top of that guy's back.
You see how mad she got?
She's running. That is crazy. That's what she... Where's she going? She's gonna go by herself?
Apparently.
You gonna wait for us down there?
They're not.
I know.
I'll look back and
She's like the, you know, in a horse race, she's the one you want to bet on because she comes up from the back and goes by everybody.
Yeah, because she's a crackhead.
It is so funny.
She goes from like mouse crawl to like race course.
I'd really appreciate it if they would wait for us.
Now it goes.
No, those people are leaving. It still says 10 minutes. See, now it's soaring around the world, Adam.
People getting off and getting back home. See? All covered by hair
I can't believe that they did not wait for us. That's freaking rude. I guess I'll ride it with you guys. And Emma's riding it by herself. I guess you don't have to run to this anymore.
Right there, I'm cutting everybody.
Hello, welcome to Soarin. My name is Patrick and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carrying on, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times.
Very good. I'm going to have row 3. Follow me in, followed by 2, then 1, row 3. Hello?
I thought we were top.
We're not top.
I think we are. I think they do the back.
For takeoff.
I'm waiting with those seats for Olivia's first trip.
today's video. This is Jen with DockFam Travel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and for more fun travel content, please make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss new uploads.